Come on, buddy. Look. We're gonna get groomed today. Come on, let's go. Get groomed. Petsmart. Come on. Let's go. Get groomed today. Come on, let's go. Yeah, it's first time looking for stuff in Petco, right? Some mittens. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's check one more time here. Let's see the toys. Come on.
Dad, you like this?
Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Wow, you like those bones, Jack, huh? Look at the bones. Yeah, you like those, huh? Come on. There, we got Jack here in Petco. Come on, look at the toys. Wow, there's a lot of toys for you there, Jack, huh? Yeah. Wow, it's a lot of buttons. You need to pick it up and put it where it was. There, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yep. That's a ducky toy. Come on.
We can get this one, Poppy.
Too many toys for you to pick from, right?
Yes, Poppy.
A lot of toys for you.
We can put this for Jack and he finds a treat.
Yeah.
Or this one. Look. Or this one, Poppy.
Which one you like? Come on. Let's choose one.
Is this?
I don't know.
Look there.
Okay, just looking for two. Keep on looking at this toy. That's not the ducky.